I'm Sanjay Mehrotra, and I've been working with Prism Johnson for about 10 years now. We decided to launch Ramco from 21st of August. So 21st of August, we had that kickoff at Satna, and then 31st of March, we did it. There are certain processes which got speeded up since dashboards are there. So many reports which are there auto-generated, auto-populated. For example, zonal sales reports or key accounts reports, outstanding reports, dealer-wise, day-wise outstanding reports. All these reports are very handy in this ERP. Ramco already running cement business. They know the nuances of cement business much better. It has helped us a lot. A very good thing was there that we were running some other apps, like for dealer management apps, for logistic there was an app. So all those apps now got integrated with this ERP. If you see the channel network, we can track each and the movement of each and every truck and everything. One thing which I liked in Ramco, whenever we had any problem, they sent a full team, maybe 5 people, maybe 10 people, maybe 13 people, but they sent. And that's how, and now everything is fine. I think they can do for any other business also similarly. I'm very confident about it.